If you want to clean your charging port or USB port with household items on your Samsung Galaxy S25, one of the best tools that you can use is compressed air and a toothpick or a cotton swab, as long as the toothpick is not metal. So compressed air will be the best to blow out all the dust and fine particles out of the charging port. Soft bristled brush is also pretty good because we can take out the loosened dirt without scratching anything. And essentially, well, even if you use those tools, you still want to be careful, of course, because you don't want to cause any damage inside the port. And of course, cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol is a pretty decent choice because you can clean sticky residues like that. And toothpick allows you to remove lint and debris out of the charging port. Now, you should actually turn off your phone before you start cleaning the USB port, and the compressed air will be still the best choice to blow out all the debris and everything that is inside, as long as it is possible. Then you can gently remove debris with a toothpick, but of course, like I said, carefully in order to not cause any damage and not to break. If you have a wooden toothpick, do not break it inside. You can brush the port a little bit with a dry, soft bristled brush, and then optionally you can use the isopropyl alcohol in order to get rid of sticky stuff from the port. And then of course let it dry, and if you use alcohol you can allow a few minutes for it to evaporate before turning the phone back on. You should avoid metal objects. Any metal objects will not be a good choice, like needles, paper clips, or anything else, or tweezers. You should avoid blowing with your mouth into the port because you can get moisture inside the port, and that is of course not good, and this can cause corrosion. And do not use too much force. Like I said many times already, be gentle, avoid the damage, use as little force as possible. As long as you can take out stuff from the port, you should be fine. And do not use liquid cleaners other than the aforementioned isopropyl alcohol, because they can leave residue or cause damage. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!